do have an option to acquire a vehicle, but I choose not to. I feel more freedom when I use the services that Metro provides. Good morning. My day starts really early to make it to work by 8.
Good morning, Dominique. Good morning.
I work at the College of Business with the Dean's Office. I do special projects. People that work here, they're wonderful to work for. The thing that I really like the most is that all the Metro rails come into the downtown area where I work at. I do the local bus, park and ride, and with all those services, what I like is that I can take my bike. My bike, Shelby, goes everywhere with me. At first, I was afraid to ride the bus, but now it's like I feel like a pro. I mean, but it's awesome. I get everywhere. People say, "Well, don't you miss your car?" I said, "No, I have more time to ride my bike. I feel free when I'm doing it. It's just like an adventure for me every day."